Hello friends, welcome to Hooksy. Today we are making this beautiful gajra. Let's get started. First we need yarn in 2 colors, scissor, 3.5mm crochet hook, lighter and a needle. Now we make another piece according to this type. Let's get started. First we make chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now in the last chain, make a slip stitch. Again 1, 2, 3 chain and 5 DC in the same space. And make a slip stitch like this as shown in the video. Repeat this pattern 5 times to complete row 1. Now this is our second pattern. As you can see, 5 TC and a slip stitch in the back side. Now our first round is complete. Tie the thread like this. Now make a slip stitch here. Again chain 3 and make 5 TC in the gap. Repeat this pattern again and again until you reach the last round. We make total 6 rounds according to this pattern. If you want a big size, you can increase the length of this piece according to your wrist size. I make this gajra for my little sister, so I make only 6 rows. If you like the tutorial, so please do like, share and subscribe to channel Hooksy. Now we make flower. For flower make 30 chain first. Now our 30 chain is complete. Make extra 5 chain and make 1 DC in the 6th chain from the hook. Now again chain 1, skip 1 and make 1 DC, then chain 2 and again make another DC in the same space. We make total 30 clusters like this. Now make chain 3 and make 6 DC in the same chain space. Happy Independence Day to all my Pakistani audience. And make a slip stitch. Again make 6 DC, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now make slip stitch. Repeat this pattern until the end. Now we have 13 petals. Now hide the extra thread and cut it. Now we make chain 50. Our 50 chain is complete. Use a needle to sew all the part together like this. As you can see in this video, our beautiful handmade gajra is ready. Make this beautiful gajra for you and make your day